Okay, so he suffers from epilepsy. Okay, so that's what's happened. Sugar as well, like his blood sugar level could be low as well. But it's good that the paramedics are here and they're assisting to him. You understand? But yes, as I'm saying, people, yeah, just be mindful. Alright, look, we're gonna do a little Scotch bonnet challenge, people. Yeah, I've got one, Adam's got one, Fenn's got one. Right, let's go.
No! Alright, cool.
Right, let's go. Ready?
Alright, ready, set. Are we up?
3, 2. You didn't eat it. No. Hey, big man, no. No, get that in your mouth.
Ringo, I can't lie, I can't hack it.
No, Fenn, no, chew that. Hey. He spat it out, he couldn't hack it. I'm coming, big man, I'm coming. Yeah. Easy, go on.
Hey, nah, fam. That's it.
Another great day out, people, yeah, and as you can see where I'm going right now, empty shopping trolley. So we need water, vegetables, all them sort of sitting here, people, yam, all sort of. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Put one piece of yam in there, so when the sitting people here, because you don't know, it's a good vibe here. That is it. Big man, how much is this piece of yam here?
350, brother.
350, yeah?
Brother, what
All
do
right,
you mean 250, brother?
You said 350, I said okay, what's the problem? 350, yeah? Alright, you see how much he charged me for the yam, people, yeah? He might charge me 350 and he ain't giving away nothing. Because we're feeding the homeless, so we're going to go to every store and we're going to see who's donating anything to the homeless today, people, yeah? And to the charity of giving back to the Croydon. Good vibes. Yes, people, he said he's not rich, but we're not talking about riches. We're just talking about giving and love. Love costs nothing, people, yeah? That is it, good vibes. How we moving right now? We've got water. There. See what we need. Because you understand, people, it's going to buy up some ingredients quick and fast.
No, this one is not too much money.
Big man,
Too much money.
anything for the homeless?
540.
Any contribution for the homeless?
You come after 10 minutes, boss coming, he gives you a lot of.
That's how it. No, leave it. I'll come back. Something for the homeless, please. Something, nothing? Ringo have to buy everything? Okay, no problem. As you can see, people here, nobody's giving nothing to the homeless, so we're just gonna buy what we're buying. You understand? Just to keep the mission going, because regardless if we get or not, we have to keep the mission going, people. Yeah, that is it. Good vibes. Yeah, no, it's pumpkin.
I'll take it.
Thank you.
Ringo is coming 230 for you, give me 2.
Okay, no problem. Alright, I want the pumpkin. And what else do I want, people? Yeah, let me get the time as well, a bunch of time.
I'll give you.
Let me get a bunch of time as well. And the time as well, yeah? So this is how we do it, people, yeah? Vibes. I'm dredging this in the market, you know. He's one of the real ones in the market, people, yeah? So when you see him, look out for him. You understand?
Jamaica, you know.
That is it, people, yeah? Good vibes. So, them potato, yeah, look funky. Can I pick choose, man? On a potato. Yeah. Cause let me tell them, say, yeah, man, I choose some sweet potato and I choose some okra. And I want some pepper. And we want some scallion, we want some thyme, ginger, garlic, and you don't know the rest of it, people, yeah? A good vibe. That is it, outside shopping challenge this up. We just shopping. Boss, let me get some, have you got any red onions? Now move right now, I'm just take up so I'm sitting there and putting in a trolley in the car. Shopping where I shop. Good vibes. That is it. Yes, people, so you don't know, so we have to pick the best of the best ones, you know, because they can't just give anything outside that they might give you, you know. Ringo Vision want the best pepper for going in the pot, you understand? Yeah, man. A good vibe. Mommy, alright. We have to take off the best of them, you know. Yeah.
Pot on the road.
Cookie pot on the road. Piece of ginger for going and patting on people. You understand? A good vibes and then we must have garlic, because if you don't cook with garlic, you can't run the vampire them, you know, people. Remember, so we have to run out the vampire them, you know, and the wolf them, you know. Alright, we can run the vampire them. A good vibes. So our next general there, big him up, because a couple real G out here in the market. Not enough of them, just one and two of them. We have a time, so we have to get the scallion, you understand? We can't have a time and not have a scallion, you understand? Water make it in them good people, because a good vibes. Place wet up, you know, rain and fall. Because you see if the place no wet up, place can't cleanse, you know, people if the place no wet up. You see if the place dry, alright, the place we get rotten, you understand? Good vibes round us in the market, you know, people. So same way we have to do shopping now, shopping good enough, because yeah, man, we want good food for going in the pot, man. You understand? That is it. A good vibes. Alright. See me just find the pot of potato we want to look for. Big old pot of potato yeah, we want to look for. The blouse and skirt. That is it. Yeah. That's the pot we want. Big pot of potato. Joyful.
The black jacket one.
Joyful. Make a joyful sound.
Did you get the number?
No. Yes, people, yeah, what about that? Love. So we have one more pit stop. Right here, so. Just rinse up. Big man, let me just get some power out here quickly, because, yeah, a good vibes, that is it. There's a good thing them a wash down. So I'm going to cook some food. I make sure so them rinse off, you know, because pesticides around here. I have to show you that all thing the normal people here. And we really have to clean them properly, you understand? Everything get washed down. I'm good, my brother.
Don't worry, one day I'm gonna buy and Christmas food, the only paper I buy for my pocket special.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Welcome, my brother.
Thank you. So, you see that the things them are in the water and they get the extra rinse off right now. Understand? I don't normally show this. I don't normally show the washing process and all that kind of stuff there, people, yeah. But you have some people that's been talking about hygiene and this and that. But I want to make you know, say the hygiene thing, the things them done wash down every time. But I thought, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys this time. You understand? A good vibes. Look where we are right now. We're just ready to go right now, people. Yeah, that is it. All right, so it's that time, people, yeah, where we actually start to cook things into the pot. And you know, when we're cooking, yeah, the first thing that goes into our pot, people, yeah, is our pumpkin. Look at that. That is it, a good vibe. So we're gonna just let our pumpkin just go and boil, and we'll prep the peppers, them, you understand? And then we're gonna put some scallion and some thyme and some garlic in the pot now, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Yes, people, so look, what's happening right now, yeah? I've just put some ingredients in the pot, yeah? So I put all the peppers, the scallion, I put tomato, pumpkin here. Everything's just gonna boil up. And then the next thing that I'm gonna put in the pot, people, yeah, is like some garlic. I'm just gonna strip some garlic right now and put some garlic in the pot. You understand? And just go and flavour up the pot, people, and just let that just go and boil up. And then later on, I'll start to add some next ingredients, people, yeah. So as you can see, look at the colours that's going on in the pot right now. How good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Welcome everybody that's on the journey with us. Big up everybody that's been supporting us on the journey. You understand? Helping us to feed the million and giving back to our local community. We've got a Christmas dinner this Saturday, the 7th of December. So if you can be there, people, yeah? Our good vibes. All right, everyone. So look, I'm just putting some green plant in the skin in the pot, because this is gonna give like some iron.
Some iron.
Yep, iron, you know. Some of the people them lacking iron, people, so we have to give them the iron to go back into their body.
Yes.
A good vibe. And then
Just look how colourful the pot is today.
look, we ain't even put the red onion in yet. It's going in right now. I'm gonna give the pot a little stir, everyone, so that you can see what's in the pot right now. You understand? But the red onion, we're putting 2 big red onions in the pot, people, yeah. I've good vibes. Look at that.
Love my bro, yeah. Blessings. So you got the red onion guy in there, Rings, yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez. It smells good, you know. When you bust the pot, you can just smell the flavors, you can smell the essence.
You smell it, Benny?
Yeah.
Alright, look from early now, yeah. I just dashed 2 Scotch bonnet in there from early. I put garlic in there. I want to put the plantain in there from early as well.
Wee. Oh, so you put green plantain in there and you put normal plantain in there as well, yeah?
Yeah, green banana and white plantain.
Okay.
And this is just to boil out and put the iron in the pot. So it's not really it's gonna be one of them ones there where they get to probably eat it, but
Okay. Because it will just boil out.
yeah.
But it's just to add more iron.
more iron.
So people that's got low iron efficiency in their body,
Yes.
this will help them.
Right, come in and have a look, people here. So look, so you can see in the pot here we've got the pumpkins. You understand? We've got tomato, carrot, we've got red peppers, we've got scallion. We look for some thyme. Thyme is in there as well, people. Yeah, you see thyme? Thyme is there as well, people. So
Thyme
what we're
is
gonna do,
money.
yeah, we're just gonna make everything just go and boil up. It's gonna settle for a little while. A good vibe. We're at a good point right now, people. I can take my gloves off. That is it.
That's it.
Good vibe.
Good vibes. So we say, Rings?
Some of them are yammed, you know.
Yammed, there's bare yammed out here, you know.
Yeah, good vibes too.
What?
So just peeling up the yam. Nice piece of white yam here. We've got people here. We're gonna put all of this in the pot today, yeah?
Okay.
Come in.
The whole yam.
The whole yam. So just show people here that yam's got a very hard skin. And as you can see, yeah, like I'm saying to you guys, yeah, tell the kids them to leave the knives at home, because look how thick this yam is. And I'm using this simple little butter knife to, you understand, deal with the thing.
Yes.
So it's just a reminder, people, yeah, that one love thing. It's not a violent thing.
Tell them
It's
again.
not a bad vibes thing. It's a good vibes thing. You understand? All right.
So yeah, how heavy is that yam there?
This yam.
Yeah.
This yam probably about a kilo, you know,
So it's a kilo of yam, yeah?
or more.
Yeah, I think it weighs more still. People, comment below, yeah? How much do you think this yam weighs? How much do you think this yam weighs? It's a big piece of yam there. Jeez.
You know,
So what we saying now? Wash it out.
wash pot, man.
Wash pot.
When it's so big, yeah, I just cut off a piece of him. Like so, look.
Hey. Good vibes. Okay. And do you find it easy to cut the yam with that small knife there?
Yeah, it's calm. Used to it.
You're just used to it, that's right. So I remember last time when I was using it, I was struggling, do you remember?
Yeah.
Gotta get used to it, innit? It's a technique. Techers, you know. Ringo a real chef, you know, Ringo a real chef out here, you know.
So look at this. So the yam.
Jeez, let's go closer. Let's show them the pot. Show them the pot.
See this piece of yam here, look. Pretty piece of white yam, this, people here. Nice white yam, this. You understand? I'm going to the pot. So we're gonna make this one here boil for here, just boil. Now, cut them too small. Cut them to a decent size, you understand?
Yeah.
A good vibes. Right, so we're on the schedule right now. So look, all we've got left to actually put in the pot here, we've got Bill and Lucky just over there sitting down waiting for dinner. All right, it's just the okra. We've got a few spuds there. And look at this. Let me show you inside the pot.
The pot, fam.
Come on. Show you inside the pot.
What?
A good vibes. So,
Boy,
so everything's inside the pot right now, people, yeah? Alright, so this. We've come to a point right now, people, yeah, we just need this pot to just kind of literally boil up. We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, we've got 4 Scotch bonnet pepper, people, yeah? Friend, one of them's yours.
No way, I can have one still. Yeah?
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Adam's over there.
3 of them's for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is it.
That's
Good
peak.
vibes, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, we reached that point. It's like something's happened out here. Just come to meet Smokey. Smokey.
Okay.
Chris Norman.
Yes.
So in like, where's your friend? Ready? Half an hour, yeah?
You speak Polish. You speak
Polish?
Speak Polish, yeah.
Okay, speak to him, yeah? So we don't know what's happened out here, but one of the gentlemen that I feed, he's Polish, so he's gonna assist with a language barrier with the paramedics, what his name is. So Smokey is someone that eats from me every day. I was just coming to meet him here to let him know that I'm ready to start sharing out in like half an hour. We're here in Croydon, people, yeah. And you can see that the paramedics now, they're just, I don't know what's happened, but a lot of people suffer from mental health. A lot of people have drug condition and alcoholic conditions out here in Croydon as well. Okay, so he suffers from epilepsy. Okay, so that's what's happened. Okay, everyone. So basically, he
Come down here
yeah,
and he just went bang.
just fell over. So he just had a random epileptic attack. So the gentleman here, he suffers from epilepsy. So that's it. He's probably got blood sugar as well. Like his blood sugar level could be low as well. But it's good that the paramedics are here and they're assisting to him. You understand? But yes, as I'm saying, people, yeah, just be mindful and look out for those in your community. You understand? It's that festive time of year, and you understand all we can do is look out for others. And yeah, the paramedics got him now. A good vibe. Smokey, let's go.
20 minutes, 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah.
20 minutes.
You're gonna come back?
Yes.
20 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Epilepsy is a serious one as well, people. Yeah. Remember that it can take you anyhow, anywhere. You understand? So yeah, man. If you are suffering from that, just be mindful, be careful, and just, you understand? Just do a daily routine check. Don't drink too much, don't smoke too much, and don't do none of the aboves too much. You understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Big up yourself. And sometimes some people are homeless. That guy could be out here, is homeless, suffering from epilepsy.
Hey, got that, yeah?
Yeah.
That's a little present I got.
My little miniature. Nice. Thank you.
He smoked it because he really had fun. Look.
The ambulance up there, yeah. Because,
Yeah. What happened?
My man fell up, well, he collapsed.
Oh wow.
Epilepsy.
Yeah, like that. That is peak. What happened to the? Did we get any update from the zombie the other day?
Nah, my man, I don't even know what happened with the zombie over there. Because what go on? That's a go on. Yes, I. A good vibes. Yes, people. So yeah, man. There's some people out here got high blood sugar.
That's right.
Got low iron levels.
Yep.
So check on your health, people. Yeah.
Health is wealth.
Health is wealth. Are good vibes. Look, me have a good support and I give people them. You know. Some people been saying, "Well, Ringo, we want to see some meat. We want to see some different things on the menu." But remember, yeah, a lot of the people them that I'm feeding and giving food to outside as well, yeah, friend, yeah. These people, they need something that can rebuild their body.
That's right.
And sometimes meaty things, their body don't need that right now because they need to rebuild. It's like, this soup is like a detox.
Yeah, it's like a medicine for them.
Medicine.
Yeah, it's like a medicine.
Yeah,
You know, like when you blend up ginger and turmeric and you drink that,
Yes.
this is the equivalent of the medicine for when they're outside, you see what I'm trying to say?
That is it.
So yeah, man.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Wow. Look how we're looking right now, man. A good vibes, you know, people. So yeah, man, we're kind of like getting there. The pumpkin hasn't yet mashed out into the pot yet, people, yeah. But it's looking very nice, smelling very nice. The pot is well full of people, yeah. A good vibes. Yes, everybody, big up yourself. So I've reached a point right now where I'm just sharing out the food right now. Yeah, man, it's been a very good day. Cooking right here at the market, people, yeah. That is it.
Jeez.
Okay.
And it's raining as well.
And it's raining.
Good vibes, look. He's got his food ready. He's got his soup there ready. Good vibes, good vibes. That's it.
Adam.
People,
I'll do two.
100 people.
Two. And we'll do two Scotch bonnets.
Alright, look, we're gonna do a little Scotch bonnet challenge, people, yeah. I've got one, Adam's got one, Fenn's got one. I'm not even playing with my Scotch bonnet, people, yeah.
You doing it now?
Yeah, here's my Scotch bonnet, look.
We're doing it now, yeah?
Yeah, let's go. All together, come on. Come on, all together.
Wait, no, but I got the, like, this is the largest
Nah,
one.
forget
fam.
that,
Just
fam.
eat it like that.
My one is compared to
That,
yours.
fam.
Look
Come
how
on,
big
let's
my
go.
one
Right,
is.
you're not going to turn the
Let's go.
camera around,
Let's
yeah?
go, let's go.
Scotch bonnet. You want one? You want one?
You going, man?
You
You
want
want
one?
one? You want one?
Hey,
give him one, give him one.
Wait, big man.
Oh my God, what is it? You know I'm going to do Scotch bonnet. Look, we got
No,
61 people.
wait.
You know, I'm going to see it get peak right now.
Wait.
Scotch bonnet challenge.
Adam, don't put that in your mouth. Yes, this is pepper.
Yeah, soup as well. Yeah. So look,
Take the pepper out though. Take the pepper. Go on, take. Hold this. Hold
Got
that.
one there. Got one here. One here.
Mine's the biggest one.
Okay, big man, take your soup quickly. Hold this.
What do you mean?
Let me give the big man the soup
Who's
quickly.
got the
Yeah.
biggest Scotch
Come.
bonnet right now?
Wait.
No, wait, someone just got to get their suit first, people. See, we have fun out here, you know. Man's just letting it cool down in the air, you get me? Letting it cool down in the cold.
All right, thank you. Yeah. All right,
Cover
good
your face,
vibes,
you
good
still know who
vibes.
you are, bro. You still know who you are, bro. You
Come,
still who you know you are, bro.
come, look, everyone hold.
You lot, you ready?
Wait, look, all together.
you
Look,
got
come,
before,
let's
yeah?
go. Let's
No,
go.
Ringo! Oh my God, you know. No, Ringo's buying it.
Yeah, let's go.
No! Alright, cool.
Let's go. Ready?
Alright, ready, set. Are we have to...
3, 2.
Eat. No. Hey, big man, no. No, get that in your mouth.
Ringo, I can't lie, I can't hack it.
No, pen, no, chew that. Chew that.
Please, bro. Hey, you lot are mess.
Come.
Nah, Ringo.
So one can't hack it, one didn't do it.
I'm good.
Thumbs up, look, he spat out.
Oh my God.
He spat it out, he couldn't hack it. One second, I'm coming, big man, I'm coming.
Yeah.
What you say? Go on.
Hey, nah, fam. That's not even gonna help me. Hey, people, I'm dying.
All good.
We're all good out here, people. Yeah, I'm feeling fine. Nice, that was good. I can feel the heat here at the back of my tongue. Adam's hot.
All good.
Adam's all red in the face.
Yeah.
He's a big man.
I'm a big man. Right, see that thing there?
Woo!
My eyes are on fire.
Lucky, you on soup? You on soup?
I just had a Scotch bonnet. No, never again. No Scotch bonnet challenge. Have more, yeah. Oh man, you lot.
Thank you. Can I have less juice though? Because we've got no bread.
Alright, go on. Come.
TikTok, I'm dying. Mouth's bunning.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Ringo.
Yeah, alright, good stuff.
Hopefully this helps.
Do we have a fork?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we've got a spoon.
You know. Wow.
Good vibes. Been a mission out here today, everybody, yeah, and let's just show you what's actually happened. Empty pot, and as you can see, yeah, the market's closing up, and enough things get dashed with today at the market each and every day. You understand? Enough things get sold, but at the same time, wagwan. But at the same time, yeah, remember, so Ringo vision there. A whole heap of things in that today, not true?
Yeah, man. No,
Yeah.
you know.
I walk, yeah. A good vibe, same way people pick up yourself for one love. You understand? Been out here in the rain, said way. A good vibes. Wagwan. Yeah, the whole place I clean up and I wash down. Look at my pots, man, I put them shiny. Put them shiny. You get me? Got the shiny pots, everything nice and fresh. Hold that for me there.
Yeah,
good vibes.